Hello guys, welcome to Generation Unravel, and in this video I will be showing you how you can join a person who isn't your friend in Roblox. So just to inform you, being able to join a specific person in Roblox is impossible now since one of the recent updates, and all you can do is know what that person's avatar is, and if you do, it would be much amazing. And if you know that person well, but you guys aren't friends, and you know what they look like and which server they play on, you can just head over to the game that they're currently playing on, click on servers, look for the users that you want to join, and just click on join server. It's that simple, and I know this isn't exactly what you were expecting, but unfortunately being able to find someone and being able to join someone specifically is impossible in Roblox. I hope this video helped in one way or another. Thank you for watching. Like, comment, and subscribe if it did. This is Generation Unravel saying bye-bye!